guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I plan on making millions of dollars in 2024 from this simple swing trading strategy. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years. And with that being said, we just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock. I don't believe in alerts. I teach you how to trade. It's an 8-week course with quizzes, live streams, all of that good stuff. I'll put it down below. Check it out. We're doing the Black Friday sale for the end of this month. Check it out down below. But guys, let's dive into this. Now, before we talk about my strategy, first we need to understand what swing trading is. Well, swing trading in general is when you buy a stock, but you hold it for more than a day, but less than a year. When you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day, it's a day trade. It's a different strategy mindset. Now, when you buy a stock and you hold it for more than a year, that's a long-term investment. You know, you start caring about fundamentals and where the company will be in the next year or 2, 3 years. Now, on average, I do hold my swing trades for near and around 14 days. Obviously, there will be times where I do buy and sell, you know, after 2 or 3 days, or I'll hold it for 2 to 3 months, depending on my plan with that certain stock. One last little tip before we talk about my strategy. A lot of people have this mindset that swing trading is easy and it's a get rich quick scheme and it's very, very simple to do so. But guys, paper trade. Take a year, take 6 months to a year and actually learn. Learn how to buy and sell, learn how to use platforms, practice your indicators, and overall just become a better trader. Like I said, a lot of people have this mindset that trading is an easy way to get rich quick. And that couldn't be further from the truth. The biggest thing that separates people that are profitable and that aren't profitable is education. And that's where taking the year to actually learn a skill that's going to be paying you for a lifetime. Look at like a doctor. It takes years of practice, hard work. Swing trading is the same thing. But enough on that. Let's talk about my strategy. Let's turn to the computer. Alrighty, so the broker that I use for my swing trades is Moomoo. They have great studies, scanners, and everything you could pretty much need for trading in general. I'll put them down below. I'm not getting sponsored or anything like that. I just love their platform and how easy it is to use. Check them out. But alright. What is my strategy and my plan when it comes with swing trading? This is a very, very common question I get asked. So looking at it here, the strategy that I love is using basic moving average lines to determine if you should buy a stock. And what you look for is stocks that are on supports. Supports is where you just get tendencies of getting natural buying pressure at a certain price or indicator. So looking at the stock we all love, Tesla here, you guys will see that it does have tendencies of using this 200-day moving average line as support. And we'll show you what I mean by this. So this red line right here is a moving average. It determines pretty much trend indication as well as basic support and basic resistance. So looking at it here, you guys will see that Tesla sold off from about $300 all the way down to about $230. Now it hit this red line here and we got buying pressure. So what a lot of people could do is set alerts near and around this red line to determine if you should buy this stock. Well, you may look at it and you may go, Carter, well, what happened? You know, what happened right here where the stock actually sold off? Well, one of the most important things, at least for a swing trader like me, is I never trade through earnings reports. Earnings reports come out months in advance, so you know when a company is going to announce them. The issue with an earnings and trading before an earnings and holding during is you could make a ton of money and the stock could skyrocket up, or they could release something that causes panic and causes a sell-off. So I never hold during earnings, and that's what happened. The company announced earnings and the stock just absolutely got annihilated. But understanding that this 200-day moving average line is support, what could you do? Set an alert. And that's what we did here. We set alerts near and around this 230 mark where the stock has had natural tendencies of getting basic support here right on this line. So you guys will see as we go ahead and we draw this horizontal line, it does have this tendencies of getting buying pressure at that line. So as a swing trader, you can understand there's heavy support right here and resistance right here where the stock comes up and gets sell off, comes back up, sells off, comes up to that line, sells off, comes up. So as a trader, what could you do? You could buy here and sell here. Now, if you do this, you will be swing trading this stock. This type of trade will be a lot quicker than my average of 14 days, but in general, you're still making great profits, as well as we look here where the stock got a ton of buying pressure. This one here had a great move, but a trader never changes his strategy just because he thinks it's going to explode. You always have to go to your strategy and see what could you improve on. So would I continue to hold during this time? Absolutely not. I would not. And the reason why that is this would be against my strategy. I would always take profits near and around this 247 mark. And a lot of people think, oh, well, why wouldn't you take profits? Well, I've never lost money taking profit. What that means is if it's at my profit mark, I'm going to sell. And yes, there will be times like this where it rallies up, but there'll also be times, just like it's done in the past, where it hits that resistance and we get sell off. And we saw that it got a lot of buying pressure, but I am not regretting anything. And now another example of this, but on the opposite spectrum, is using moving average lines as resistance. So when the stock is above it, like it is right here, the stock has tendencies of using it as support, but when it falls below it, it uses it as resistance. So you guys can see that it curls back up and hits that resistance point, sells back off to a level near and around this 1070 mark, which is old support, and you can move and sell right near and around $12, making $2 a share. Excellent risk and reward ratio. But obviously this thing continued to rally up. One of those things where stuff just happens. You know, I've never lost money taking profit. This is a clear example of how moving average lines can act as support and resistance, and you can make a ton of money off them. But starting out, paper trade, that's where I would recommend you guys starting and start practicing these strategies. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.